In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use H&R Block Tax Calculator. First, open your browser and head to the H&R Block Tax Calculator website. This free tool gives you a quick estimate of your federal tax situation, so you can plan ahead before you file. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Start My Estimate and click it. You'll land on a short questionnaire. Enter your basic details like your civil status, your age, whether your income includes wages, and who files your taxes. These answers help the calculator choose the right rules to apply. If you're unsure about anything, use the on-screen hints and pick the option that best matches your situation today. You can always come back and change it. When those basics are set, click See My Basic Estimate. The calculator will show a quick snapshot based on the limited info so far. To refine that number, click Continue My Estimate. Next, indicate whether you have dependents. Dependents can influence credits and deductions, so answer carefully. Then choose how you earn income. The tool will guide you through common sources, and you can add more than one if it applies. Now enter your income details. Type in totals such as wages, federal tax withholdings, tips, and any overtime pay. Using the amounts from your latest pay statements or year-to-date totals will make the estimate more accurate. Take your time here. Even small amounts can affect the outcome. After income, select your deduction approach. You can use the standard deduction or itemize it yourself. If you don't expect large deductible expenses, the standard deduction is often the simplest choice. If you do itemize, be prepared to enter the categories the tool asks for so it can compare both options. You'll then choose credits and adjustments that apply to you. The calculator will present a list that can include things like childcare, education, auto loan, and other expenses. Only select items that truly fit your situation. If none apply, click none of these. Apply to keep things simple. When everything looks accurate, click Next and you're done. The calculator will compile your entries and display an updated estimate of your refund or amount owed, along with a breakdown of what influenced the result. Remember, this is an estimate, not a final tax return, but it's a great way to understand where you stand and what might change your outcome.